Hello everyone, this is Rick Merman with Mersive Technologies, and this is the Mersive Minute. Today I want to talk to you about digital signage integration and how Mersive can seamlessly work with your existing digital signage provider or player to give you a collaborative experience as well as a digital signage experience on any of your displays, whether that's in a lobby, in a kitchen area, in a meeting area, in a showroom, whatever you want. And we can do this one of two ways. The first way is that our pod can actually be a digital signage player. We tie this in with your existing digital signage provider. We work with a number of providers and we pull down the digital signage feed and use it and play it through our player. So right now I'm pulling down a feed that we're playing in our headquarters in Denver. I'm located in Chicago, so you could deploy this anywhere you wanted. The other way that this works is that you may have an existing digital signage player. You've got an HDMI out from the player plugging into your display. Well, we have an HDMI input on our pod, and you could feed that digital signage player into our pod and do this the exact same way. So let's walk through how this works. We've got our digital signage playing. It's showing whatever it is that we want to be showing, and you will notice at the bottom of the display here, I have got a footer. What it has is it has our 4-digit code, it has the IP address of the pod, but more importantly, it has the name of this display. This is called primary display, and I'm going to show you how we would connect to that. So first, let's walk through and share our screen so you can see my application is open. You can see that I see 3 displays here: the primary display, the blue team, and the red team. We know, because the lower left corner says primary display, that this is the display we want to share to. I'm going to select primary display. It will put the 4-digit code in the middle of the screen for us, 4519. I'm going to enter that, and I'm just going to share a couple media files. Maybe I've got a couple videos I want to share. I want to walk some people through a couple things. So now I am sharing multiple pieces of content up to the same display. Okay? So I'm sharing this content. I want to do full screen on something. I can do this like a regular Solstice session. I want to give a demo to someone. I want to walk someone through something. When I am done with that, when I'm done, I would disconnect. When I disconnect, what it will do is it'll take me back to the Mersive splash screen, and then I had set a timer, and you can choose. I've set mine at 10 seconds. So it'll show the splash screen for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it's going to start playing the digital signage feed again. So it starts streaming that digital signage feed. I didn't have to change inputs. I didn't have to plug in any cabling. I didn't have to do anything. I just connected to this display via my Mersive application, and I disconnected, and now it's playing the digital signage feed again. This also works very well with Miracast and or AirPlay. So I've got my iPhone here. I want to walk into a space. I don't want to use the Mersive application. Maybe I have an iPad. I just want to AirPlay from my device directly up to the display. So I'm going to swipe down. I'm going to select AirPlay. Again, it's going to pull up the 3 different displays I see: blue team, primary, and red team. I know I'm in primary. I'm going to select that. You'll see it's going to pull up the 4-digit code. I'm going to enter that. And now it's going to start streaming my phone via AirPlay up to the display. So now we're looking at an application. Maybe I want to turn it to the side because I want to walk someone through something. I'm taking a look at something, pulling it from the web, or I'm sharing an app that I have on my iPad, whatever the case may be. That is done. I disconnect, I stop mirroring, and what it will do again is pull this back to our splash screen. I have it set for 10 seconds, so after 10 seconds, it will start playing that digital signage feed automatically again. No cables, no changing inputs, and I don't even have to use the Mersive application if I don't want to. For more information about this, please visit us on Mersive at mersive.com. This is Rick Merman with Mersive Technologies, and we'll talk again soon.